Meanwhile, I'm 2,500 miles away in Coxsackie, New York.
This might be one of the strangest campgrounds we've ever stayed in, right in the middle of Las Vegas. But sometimes it feels like its own little world in here.
Hey, welcome back. We're Jon
And Rich from NomadsTrekkn.
and this week RV life looks a little bit different.
So normally when we film these videos, we are as remote as possible, off-grid, in some beautiful location, but that is not going to be the case this week. Jon had to fly out to New York for 10 days for work, and I'm holding down the fort here in Vegas. We've actually been exploring all throughout the Vegas region this year, from Death Valley to Valley of Fire, Oatman, Arizona, and it's just made for a really convenient base camp. We've popped in and out a couple times. Obviously, it's easy to stock up with food and supplies. And then here at this campground at the Thousand Trails, we are Thousand Trails members, so obviously this is included as part of our membership, and it has full hookups, laundry on site, literally right around the corner from everything. So it was a no-brainer when we found out Jon had to go to New York. It was just easy for me to be here and not have to worry about anything while he was away. This might be the tightest RV spot we ever had.
While Rich is dealing with tight quarters back in Vegas, I'm on my way to Coxsackie, New York for a couple of weeks, which is definitely a change from being out in the desert. I can see the snow already. Sometimes this lifestyle means being in completely different places. Coxsackie, New York is one of those towns sitting right on the banks of the Hudson River. Watching these big ships go up and down from New York City to Albany every day was quite the sight. The town has a beautiful little downtown and a great coffee shop where I would come in and get coffee every morning.
Hello. How are you? Good.
I love your jacket.
Thank you. Can I do a lavender vanilla latte, please?
Yeah. I didn't know you had that. Okay, I don't read the menu.
No. Do you want it small or large?
Small is fine, thank you.
That's hot.
Yes, please.
I just love these small town coffee shops with the local roasted beans. While I was on the East Coast, I got to spend some time with our daughter, our son-in-law, and grandsons. We had a great time going to the trampoline park. I even partook in some of the fun.
Hey! Oh, bud! You can't be up here! You laid on your...
A lot of RV life isn't what you see on Instagram. Some days it's just work during the day, making dinner in the RV, and making wherever you're parked feel like home, even if that place happens to be a little tight campground in Las Vegas. Just a few miles from here is the chaos of the Las Vegas Strip. Lights, crowds, traffic everywhere. One thing we've learned about doing this full time is that not every stop is glamorous. Sometimes you're not parked in a national park. Sometimes you're just where you need to be for a little while.
I just got my room, so how's the campground?
Let's just say I miss the desert, and Ranger does too.
Yeah, but I'd still rather be there than here in the snow.
So Jon gets back this weekend, and then we have a few more days in Vegas. And then we're going to start heading back to Arizona and our ranch, probably the middle to end of April. So stay tuned. Hopefully the next couple weeks will be a little bit more exciting than these last 10 days. Bye.
Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear.